Hey everyone, this is John Battaglia with At Ease Home Inspections, and today I want to show you one reason why you want to make sure you're using an inspector who has a ladder and is not afraid to use it. We're inspecting this townhouse today, and if you look right here up on the ceiling, you see there's a moisture stain, and then also looks like there's been a repair in the past right there. It hasn't rained in several, maybe a week or so here, and so it's certainly dry there today, but we want to see if it's going to leak in the future. And so we come out here on the outside and we see there's this little roof section over top of a window. So the next thing we want to do is get up and see what the flashing looks like. Initially, the flashing between the roof section and the house appears to be good. All along here, we see the metal. Then we look real careful, we see, and get a good shot of this where you can see it maybe. See that right there? That's probably what's causing their leak right there. There's a gap in the flashing. You can see the bare OSB paneling back behind there. And so we should not be able to see any wood at that location. And then that needs to be fixed. Prevent water from keep coming in, or it'll just be an ongoing issue there. So yeah, that's one reason. Make sure you get an inspector's not afraid to work a little bit and get up on a ladder and do their job.